Well, markets were down a bit today, but wouldn't worry too much about that because it started much weaker and then sort of recovered towards the end of the day. So, what the Nifty is doing and the broader market too, to some extent, is basically showing the same kind of resilience that we've got used to over the last many months. Of course, there was a sharp correction from 18,000 Nifty all the way down to 16,800, but we've pulled back since then, 300-400 points, and we are consolidating nicely above 17,000 levels. And this is not to be construed as weakness in the market at all, despite today's short small blip. The bigger question is how this global cookie crumbles over the next couple of weeks, because the tidings are not great. We have seen over the weekend the low unemployment numbers actually feeding into that feeling that the Fed is not done yet and there will be several more rate hikes before we are done with that cycle. And that is the key thing which takes risk of emerging markets quite completely. So we are still in that kind of a risk-off mode globally. And to make matters slightly worse, crude has bounced back from the low 80s to the high 90s again. So that is not an India positive factor at all. So next few weeks, let's see. We are just wading into an earnings season. This one should not be too bad given that we've had some festive tailwinds going into it. So at least this one, we shouldn't have many downgrades coming in. We'll see about the December quarter after that, because chances are that we might see a little bit more weakness in the earnings in that quarter. But this quarter we should be middling kind of an earnings and the market will focus on that as well. So we are in that kind of a holding stage in the market, if you will. We're still battling global headwinds, trying to be resilient as we have been, and we are absorbing fundamentals like earnings over the next 2 or 3 weeks. And let's see how we come out of that in what kind of shape by the end of October. But I think 17,000 is a very, very good level to be at. And if you can hold that through this month, October, which has been a traditionally volatile year, I think we should be very happy about it.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.